sage Gautam tried to chase away the cow that was eating the crops in his fields. As soon as he touched the cow with a blade of grass, she fell down dead. At that moment, all those sages arrived there and cursed Gautam for killing an innocent cow. They asked Gautam and his wife to leave the hermitage at once. Gautam decided to do penance for killing a cow. He worshipped Shiva for several years. Then he and Ahalya circumvented Brahmo Parvat 100 times. Appeased, Shiva made an appearance and asked them to state their wish. Gautam said he wished that river Ganga would always be present in the hermitage. Ganga said she would stay there only if Shiva and Parvati would stay there too. Shiva and Parvati agreed, and then Trayambak, the Shiva Parvati symbol, came into being in the hermitage. The Ganga that flowed down from the hermitage was called Godavari. Later, Gautam requested Ganesha to pardon the sages for their evil doing. The sages too entreated Gautam to forgive them. Ganesha as Mahodar. Moha, a demon, was the disciple of Shukracharya, who was the teacher of the demons. He taught Mohasur how to worship the sun god and perform a penance in the name of the sun. Mohasur followed his teacher's preaching and worshipped the sun god. The sun god blessed Mohasur to be a victorious king. Soon, Mohasur attained victory over the entire universe and also the netherworld. He was titled Daityaraj, the king of the demons. Mohasur now terrorized the gods. The sages ran here and there to save their lives. There was an anarchy all over. Mohasur married Madir and seized many more kingdoms. The gods and the sages finally approached the sun god and told him how Mohasur was creating havoc everywhere. The sun god suggested them to worship Mahodar, an incarnation of Ganesha who rides a mouse. Mahodar, pleased with the worship, promised the gods and the sages that he would teach Mohasur a lesson. Mohasur surrenders to Ganesha. Shukracharya asked Mohasur to approach Vishnu as only he could suggest a way to save his life. Accordingly, Mohasur went to Vishnu, who said, Mohasur, surrendering before Mahodar is the only way by which you can save your life. Vishnu also told Mohasur how Ganesha had always played the role of a savior for the creatures in the universe. Mohasur decided to make the wise choice. He invited Mahodar to his palace with due respect and honor. When Mahodar arrived, Mohasur fell to his feet and pleaded for forgiveness. He assured that he would never bother anyone in future. Mahodar was pleased with Mohasur's genuine pleading. Mahodar ordered Mohasur to release all the sages and the gods that he had kept under his captivity and asked him to leave heaven at once. He also ordered him to stay in the netherworld forever and return never again. Ganesha as Lambodar. The story of Lambodar is associated with the Mohini avatar of Vishnu and Shiva. A huge fight took place between the gods and the demons over the divine nectar, Amrit, that they had found while churning of the ocean of milk. Lord Vishnu then transformed into a beautiful dancer named Mohini to attract the demons' attention and take back the Amrit. Vishnu was successful in doing so. But while Vishnu was in the form of Mohini, Shiva started liking her. As the task was completed, Vishnu gave up his Mohini form. At this, Shiva became angry and a demon was born from his anger. The demon was known as Krodha. demon of anger. Krodhasur pleased the sun god and soon became a powerful king. He then married Preeti, the daughter of demon Shambra. Krodhasur had two sons, Harsh, joy, and Shok, sorrow. Krodhasur then started fighting against several kings and gods all over the universe. He started ruling heaven, earth, and the netherworld, Patal. Soon, the gods and the sages started worshipping Lambodar, an incarnation of Ganesha, for help.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.